Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura, and we're opening April's Patchwork Parcel. Before we open April's, I want to talk about March's. So we had a pod, Maywood Studio Easy Peasy Pre-Cut Projects. And I wanted to give a very honest review of this product. So one, Patchwork Parcel itself, awesome. I am really liking Elaine Huff. I love the things that she's sending us. And I even like the fact she sent an email saying that there was a problem with the instructions. And she told what the problem was and told us how to fix it. Me, being the stubborn person that I am, strong-willed, I chose not to read the email. I wanted to pretend that I had gone to the store and purchased this item. Maybe I ordered it off of Amazon, or I went to a quilt shop that had this. So I wanted to go at it blind. I didn't want to know what the problems were, so I did not open that email. Yeah, there was a problem with the instructions. And I feel like I can show you these instructions because they don't give any dimensions or anything. So the instructions are wonderful. They tell you exactly what the pieces you need. They even tell you back here the label when you open the box, which ones are which. So, full points so far. So I did these. They even show you which way to press. And they fit together beautifully. I didn't have to square any of them up. Tells you what to do. The problem was down here. So this piece right here, it's got a rose, a polka dot, and then a dark red there. So that would be that piece. So you see there's the rose, dark red, and the polka dot. Rose, dark, oh, they got these two switched. Oops. So if we look at this row was great. This row was not. Because there's the dark red, there's the rose color. And I put the polka dotted there and then the red lattice one there. Or I'm sorry, the white and green here and then the red and pink here. And that's not going to work. That's not the only one they had a problem with. Only two were an issue. But I do have some frogging to do. What's frogging? Well, it's when you have to rip out stitches because you're rip it. I got such a tickle when I learned that. I didn't know what frogging was. You don't know till you know, right? Well, now I know. And now you do too. But overall, I mean, this card trick, super easy. I can't wait to try it on my own. I can't wait to finish it. I should have 3 of this. And I've only got, I've got 1, 2, 3 rows out of 9 or 12. How many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's going to be gorgeous. And the fabric, this is nice quality fabric. I'm very pleased. I mean, look at this. Everything is so perfectly coordinated. So, having the instruction issue does take it down a notch. So my recommendation, I'm not saying not to buy one of these. Check the instructions very carefully. These are beautiful. There's some on Amazon. We'll put some links below. These are gorgeous. Just watch the instructions. So, Elaine, 3 thumbs up for you telling us about it ahead of time. Me being, stubborn, I want to try it out for myself. But I do appreciate this very much as the coordinator of the subscription package. You're letting us know when there's a problem and you're telling us how to fix it. So kudos to Elaine Huff for that. She's marvelous. Kudos for picking out such nice patterns and nice quality fabric. And I said, and these pieces, they are, they're perfect. You want to talk about easy to put them together. So the instructions, save those 2 issues. They just take you from step by step by step by step. And yeah, I'm filing this away because I'm thinking, that's how I should do it when I'm making articles for the cdcrew.com. So I may try to follow the way they are showing out how to do things, because that was really good. I found that very, very easy. So she had included the batting. I've got all the fabric, and I am looking forward to finishing this project. But I have to do some ripping first. But what did I get in April? You ready? Are you ready? Well, when I opened it, look at my blue bag. Last month we had the green one. Last month we had the green, which I love. But look at the blue. It's like little daisies. I love daisies. Isn't that gorgeous? Kind of a vintagey look too, don't you think? Da 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 da. What do we get? What do we get? Okay, you know what? I'm going to pull this out first. Oh my goodness. I love it. I love it. I love it. Is that not awesome? It's a hanging towel kit. I used to make these with crocheting when we had a flea market shop. I used to crochet things like this when we had a flea market shop. I'd get decorated towels and then do different colors. I love these. My grandmother made them. I took the pattern off from one of my grandmas that I'd kept. So, little girl squeak. Isn't that awesome? I love it. These make wonderful gifts. They make great housewarming, wedding, secret sister at church. Shh, don't tell anybody at my church. Awesome. I love it. By the way, I don't think I've gotten an email saying that there was any issues with this month's. Okay, here we go. So there's my little list with your monthly quilting surprise. Feel free to share your project. Yay, I'm going to have to do that. And let's see, it tells us what all we've got. What else, what else, what else? You ready? Ooh, pretty. Check that out. Oh, wow. Okay, who is like in love with her fabric choices? Okay, that one I think is my favorite. That's pretty. Those. Oh, check that out. Perfectly coordinated. These are wonderful. She says these are from the Wild Flower Wood collection by Yvonne Cook for Washington Street Studio. So, Ms. Yvonne Cook, these are beautiful. Thank you so much for creating these. I love them. Patchwork Parcel, thank you for including them. These are beautiful. All right, so far, I've got my towel kit. Okay, it looks like what all does this include? It says a waffle weave towel, the topper pattern, printed on the cotton poly batting. Oh, it's actually printed on the batting. How awesome. Easy to follow instructions. Okay. I don't want to cover up any of my pretty fabric. There we go. feel like a game show host. But wait, there's more. Are you ready? This is awesome. I have some batting. And I think this is one of my favorites. This is warm cotton batting from the Warm Company, made in the USA by cotton grown in the USA. Awesome. So, Insulbright. We like Insulbright. Insulbright is something that you're going to use. I've used them for trivets and different things, making sure that it will hold the heat. I've used them in making a potato bag, you know, for putting potatoes and stuff in, if you want to keep something warm, if you're not wanting to burn. Regular batting, a lot of times, if you're picking up a hot pan or a hot bowl, yeah, you still feel it. But the Insulbright, that's what they use in making pot holders and hot pads and things. So, okay, there's still something else in the bag. No. Wait. There's something else. We're going to do this one first. A cover button kit includes 3 buttons, a mold, and the pusher. Okay. I like it. I don't normally do button covers, but you know, maybe I will now. It's, I think, one of those things you don't know you want until you actually get it. So it's going to be a nice tryout for me. Have any of y'all used button covers? What do you think? Okay, this is awesome. A year of pot holders. 52 weeks of skill building patterns. This is nice. I like this. So this is from Annie's Quilting. Let's see what else. Let's see if we get some big pictures. Where's some big pictures? I'm not going to show you the directions. Obviously those are copyrighted, but look at that. And if I'm looking at this right, they're actually taking you from the easier ones to the harder ones. So I think I'm going to start at the beginning. And these on the back. This is awesome. I like this. And I do think I have more than gotten my money's worth on this package. So I am very pleased with being a Patchwork Parcel customer. We're going to put some helpful links down in the description, so be sure to check in there. A link to get to Patchwork Parcel. There is no affiliate. I don't get a penny from y'all buying from her, and I'm paying full price. This is just a review, so this is not a paid, a sponsored video, and I am giving you my honest opinion. And like I said, these I love from last month, except the problem with the directions. So if I get one off of Amazon, I'm going to have to be very careful in watching it looking at the pictures and the directions to make sure they're right. Annie's Attic. I love Annie's. I am so thrilled with everything that I got this month. I just cannot tell you. So there's everything I got for the month of April. So just imagine a teenage girl squealing, jumping up and down. These are great. Elaine, I have to tell you, you did a great job this month. You did a great job last month. You did a great job the month before. I am very pleased to be a customer of yours. And if y'all decide to subscribe and purchase her monthly subscription, be sure to tell her that Crazy Dave's Crew sent you, just so that she knows, you know, how awesome my viewers are. And don't forget to always send pictures of your projects. Love to see them. obviously she has a Facebook page. We've got one, Crazy Dave's Crew, and also Sewing and Crocheting for Beginners. Love pictures. Love to hear people inspiring other people and giving them motivation. Everyone has off days. Everyone has times where their fingers just don't want to work right. So let's really encourage each other. And I'm going to finish my Storm at Sea. And then I'm going to start working on some pot holders. That looks like fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Be sure to check out Patchwork Parcel as well. And don't forget to come back to Crazy Dave's Crew. We'll see you next time.